Hey explorers, imagine a place where ancient history meets modern charm, where turquoise waters hug the coast and every corner has a story to tell. Welcome to Muğla, one of Turkey's most captivating provinces. In today's video, we're diving into modern history and some fun facts about this incredible region. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Muğla might be famous for its stunning beaches and lively resorts, but its story goes much deeper. Let's rewind to the early 20th century when Muğla was a quiet rural area, largely untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life. Muğla's modern era began with the founding of the Republic of Turkey in 1923, led by Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. This period marked the beginning of significant changes across the country, and Muğla was no exception. As Turkey embarked on a journey of modernization, so did Muğla, gradually transforming from a sleepy town into a thriving province. Throughout the 20th century, Muğla's transformation was driven by infrastructure improvements and a growing interest in tourism. The construction of roads and the expansion of public services made it more accessible, setting the stage for what would become a booming tourist destination. By the 1980s, Muğla's coastline, particularly in places like Bodrum, Marmaris, and Fethiye, started gaining international fame. These towns, once small fishing villages, turned into some of the hottest spots for both Turkish and foreign tourists. And it's easy to see why. Just look at this view. All right, now that we've covered some history, let's jump into some fun facts that make Muğla truly special. First up, did you know that Muğla is home to some of the best preserved examples of traditional Turkish architecture? The old city center, with its whitewashed houses and red-tiled roofs, feels like stepping back in time. It's a living museum of Turkish culture. And here's a tasty fact. Muğla is one of Turkey's top producers of olives and olive oil. The region's mild climate and rich soil make it perfect for olive cultivation, so if you're a foodie, this is the place to be. Muğla isn't just about the sea, it's also home to some of Turkey's most breathtaking natural wonders. Have you ever heard of Saklıkent Gorge? It's one of the deepest canyons in the world, perfect for a day of adventure. And then there's Butterfly Valley, a hidden paradise that's only accessible by boat. Nature lovers, this one's for you. Today, Muğla is a blend of the old and the new. It's a place where you can explore ancient ruins in the morning, relax on a pristine beach in the afternoon, and enjoy modern nightlife in the evening. The province has also become a hub for sustainable tourism, attracting those who want to experience its beauty while preserving it for future generations. Whether you're drawn by its history, natural beauty, or vibrant culture, Muğla offers something for everyone. It's no wonder this province has become one of Turkey's most beloved destinations. Thank you for exploring Muğla with me today. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more incredible adventures. See you in the next one. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.